He was an Uber driver in the United States. Now he is back in Somalia afraid for his life. Mahad Mohamud, known online as Garyaqaan, had nearly 500,000 TikTok followers entertaining fans in the Somali roasting subculture. But a rival TikToker leaked his address and US Immigration and Customs Enforcement ICE moved in. Mahad says he was accused of being involved in the 2009 kidnapping of French officials in Mogadishu. The case was dropped but he was deported. His journey to the US started over a decade ago, traveling from Somalia to South Africa, then Brazil, and finally crossing into the United States through Mexico. In Minneapolis, Mahad worked as an Uber driver and earned money through TikTok gifts, but threats from Al-Shabaab followed him, part of the reason he sought asylum. In May, ICE agents arrested Mahad at his car. He spent 6 months in detention, 3 months awaiting asylum decisions, 3 months awaiting deportation. He was finally deported in November, traveling under tight restraint through Costa Rica, Senegal, and Nairobi before arriving in Mogadishu. Despite this, he reunited with his 3 children a decade after he last saw them. But Mahad fears for his life. He's received threats from Al-Shabaab and takes extra precautions for his safety. Since his return, Mahad has been welcomed by his supporters and his online following has grown. He's also met regional leaders, but the allegations from US authorities continue to shadow him. Some believe Mahad was targeted by online rivals within the Somali TikTok scene, where ethnic and clan-based roasting contests can escalate to real-life conflict. Mahad's story shows the complexity of migration, social media influence, and the human cost of deportation. He has returned home, but his future remains uncertain, and the fear he escaped in Minneapolis now follows him to Mogadishu. Thank you for watching. This is Somali Report.